Welcome back, friends. In today's video, I'm going to show you my top 4 favorite Milwaukee job site and task lighting solutions. They're all going to be under $200. And then at the end of this video, I'm going to show you 2 runner-ups that I think deserve to be on the list too. So let's get started and check these lights out. This is what I call like a front line light. So this is something like, say you're working on your car, you're gonna put in front of you, and it's really versatile. It has a carabiner clip built in, has these magnets right here, and then it has this swivel right here, so you really can maneuver this right where you need it, and it's very bright. So there's a high, medium, low, just really easy to toggle on and off. When you turn it on, you can see the power level, so it's either green, yellow, or red, so you know the approximate battery life left in it. So the kit is $59 at Home Depot, and it comes with the USB 3.0 battery right here. So this is really bright, 550 lumens. You're gonna be able to get up to 13 hours of runtime. That's on the low setting. So this has just the amount of light that you need. So let's say you're working on your car trying to fix something and you have a light up there already, but you really want to get up close. This works well. Or let's say you're doing some plumbing. This will fit inside your cabinet, so you don't have the light behind you. This is something that works really well in front of you. So this has a IP54 rating, so it's water and dust resistant, and it's 0.14 pounds. So just something really light, something that you can keep in your storage bag. So I'm a big fan of this Milwaukee tote right here. So if I want to, I could clip it on right there. Really easy to get to, or just small. It could easily fit in a pocket right there as well too. So this is probably one of the first things on my list, and the price is just right for this. So this one right here is really awesome. This is the Milwaukee M12 Rocket Light. It's really quick and easy to deploy, and I really don't have any problems with it tipping over. It just works really nice. So right now I'm running the M12 2.0 battery. Then it also has where you can put an extension cord in right there, so you can have unlimited lighting. This comes in really handy in the fall if I'm trying to wrap up a project, it's getting dark. I just quick grab this. It's really easy. There's handles all around it. And then you just raise it up on the ground. So it's right there is the tallest height. I believe it's like 5'6". So this one has 2 settings. There's a high and a low. So when I was checking the price on this, there was a special, so that for $199 you can get the kit, and it comes with 2 6 amp hour batteries. So on one 6 amp hour battery on low, you can get up to 10 hours of runtime. There are some M18 Rover lights. They're big, they're taller, but for what I do, like me personally, I'm working by myself, this is usually enough to give me some nice lighting. So the light output on this is 1400 lumens on high, 700 lumens on low, 31 inches when it's collapsed, 6.65 pounds overall, which is the lightest in its class. This flashlight right here is really awesome. There's high, medium, and low. And nice thing, this has a memory on it, so when you shut it off, it'll come back to the last one that you had. So let's say you put it on low like that. See, I'm gonna quick shut it off. Now I turn it back on, it's on low again. And then if you want to switch to the brightness level, then you just push and hold it down. And it just kind of toggles automatically between those. And then you can twist right here to focus the beam. So right there is wide and narrow. And then it has this little clip on there. So this flashlight right here is just really durable, has a really nice grip. I don't know if you can see that texture on there. I really like that. And this is rated IP67, which means you could have it up to 1 meter underwater, or it has a 4 meter drop rating. So then if you want to change the battery out, right now I have the USB 3.0 battery. So if you run out of power, you can have, if you have one of these batteries as a backup, you can quick pop that in. So one of the nice things with the USB lights is they do charge quite fast. So I mentioned this has 1100 lumens, and you can see up to 574 feet at night with it. There is a hole in the clip right there, so I suppose you could probably put a lanyard through there if you want it. This is my go-to flashlight. This one runs $79 for the kit, and that includes a 3 amp hour battery and the charging cable. So as you can see, I'm rolling the Packout in, which might give you a hint for the next light. So this right here is the Milwaukee M18 Packout light. All right, so check this out. Let's say I'm loading my Packout up. I can put this right there next to it. Then right here is some of my screws and fasteners. Put that on top. So let's say I want to use a light in here without taking this off. No problem. Check this out. Turn that on. So right here, these are the side lights. You can see how you can maneuver those. And then this is the big light right here. So if I want to, there's a lot of different modes that you can go to. So you can go to just the big one. You can go just to the two side ones, or you can go to full lighting right here. So this is a really good solution for lighting up behind you when you're working. A lot of times when I'm using the table saw, I'll just roll this out, and this works really well. So this has 3 brightness levels. So here's high, here's medium, there's low. So between all the configurations, there's 9 different ones that you can put it to between the different lights and the different brightness levels. So this is IP54 rated, so it's water and dust resistant, 11.4 pounds. So this is definitely heavier than what I thought it was going to be. When I first opened this up, I didn't think it was going to be that heavy, but it is something that works really well on the Packout. So it's going to give you a lot of run time. On one 5 amp hour battery, you can expect to get up to 31 hours of run time, which is amazing. So the thing I like about this is the versatility. So you can get 3,000 lumens of light from it. On another setting would be 1,500 lumens, and the lowest setting would be 1,000 lumens. And this has the True View light, which I haven't talked about. All the Milwaukee lights that I'm talking about have True View, and that is a pure light. So let's say you're doing some electrical wiring and you see 2 colors that are kind of close to each other, like the red, the blue, and the green. Some lighting, it's hard to really differentiate the true color of it. And with the True View, that's something that's unique to Milwaukee. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So you can just see how it's a really crisp light that gives you the true colors. Some other lights, and I've experienced some other ones I've owned, they have like a blue tint to them. So I'm not a fan of that. So I just want to let you know that's what you're going to get with all the Milwaukee lights that I'm talking about. So right here is where the battery goes. Right now I'm just running a 3 amp hour battery. So if you're wondering how big of a battery you can fit in here, here's the big one right here, the 12 amp hour high output battery, and that will fit. So that would give you a lot of run time. All right, so if we turn this around, right back here, this is interesting. There's some storage, and if you want to plug in a USB, you can do that, your device. If you want all day run time, right here, you can plug in your extension cord, and you can also charge your batteries too. So the price on this for the tool only is $199. And this is IP54 rated, so it's water and dust resistant. Okay, so these are the 2 honorable mentions right here. The first one, this is only $49. This is the M12 Rover service and repair floodlight. And it has a magnetic thing right there where you can put it on your car. This really gives you some awesome run time. Check out, this thing is really bright. So this puts out 700 lumens, and on the 4 amp hour battery, you can get up to 24 hours of run time, which is just amazing. There's a keyhole in the back, so let's say you don't have a magnet to hook it on, like on wood, you could put a nail in and just hang this on that. And this has IP54 rating as well. And last but not least is this light right here. This is probably one of the first Milwaukee lights that I reviewed. This is the Radius Compact Sight Light with flood mode. So you have your option of running this right here, the floodlight, or the 360-degree radius. So I'll just turn this on right here real quick for you. So there's the 360. This is great for just entire job site lighting, or if you're camping, it would be awesome. So we can switch over to mode. And then right there, you have your floodlight mode. So the price on this is $149 tool only. I believe this has a 1 meter drop rating. So I haven't actually ever dropped this, but it's very durable. I think this is unbreakable right here. And then it has a hook. So if you're outside, you want to hook this like on a rafter, or on a branch or a tree. That's a nice thing to have that just folds and tucks in place right there. And then if you need all day run time, you can plug your extension cord in right there. All right, I'm not sure if you can see them over there. I just heard the deer snorting at me, so I guess that means it's time for me to wrap up here. All right, they like to come out. I think they like to eat the clover. The dogs might start barking at them. All right, friends, so let me know what light you like or if you have any questions on them. So my goal of this video is to put these lights to the test and demonstrate how they work so you can see if they're right for you in case you're considering the purchase of them. If you find this video to be interesting, helpful, and informative, please give it a thumbs up and help support my channel. That's it, friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time.